Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming to the optional drop-in meeting this morning for those of you who made it. There was something that came out of there that I thought some of you might be interested in, so wanted to do a quick screencast for it. It's a new tool that I have just learned about, and so I don't know everything about it, and I haven't tried it completely yet, so we'll see how it goes. Heather Horn showed me this, and I know she has shown it to some of her mentees. Again, I think it's a great idea for those of us that are going to be finding time to work one-on-one with our students. So if you go into your Google Calendar or your Maricopa Calendar from your mail, as you go in and you're setting up appointments, if you click, let's say I want to set up a conference time for students tomorrow, if I could type, then you set your time however you want to do this, and then right here is where it says appointment slots, and this is where kind of the difference comes in than just setting a time aside. So if you click on appointment slots, it's going to change what that looks like in your calendar. You can see it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click save on that. When you click on it, if you go here, it allows you to go to the appointment page for that calendar. And I'm going to go to one right here that I already have set up. So this is 1 week that I have set up for students to do conferencing. So if you go into this, as you go into this and you see the conferences here, you can go up to the URL address and just copy that. And that's what you can paste into your assignment for the students. So here's an example right here where they just click on that and then they will go and sign in. And so what happens is they will click on a time that the student would like to reserve. They put their name on it. Then that will get pushed out in a notification to you through Google Calendar. When you see that they have set up that time, that is when you go in and generate either a Google Chat or a WebEx conference with the students. And then that link will be shared with the students in their calendar. I'm not exactly sure how this looks on the student end, but I believe that this will save you and me a lot of time when trying to work one-on-one with our students. I haven't used it yet. Hopefully it's a good tool, but I did want to share it with you because I think it's a really good idea. Maybe we can all kind of work through the bugs together. Take care. Hope the tip works well for you and have a good day. See you.